Today we'll be doing this car logo flip effect inside After Effects. It's free. You don't need no plugins. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Join the Sacred Takes team. Make sure to hit that like button so my channel can continue to grow. I'm dropping tutorials every single week. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. We're going to be making a BMW logo flip. First thing what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate it 2 times. Command D. We're going to rename these clips just so we know what we're working with. First clip will be called the flip layer. Next clip will be called the hood layer. And the last clip, we're going to name it to original. You're going to go to your hood layer and you're going to trim it down where you want the animation to start. And you're going to trim it down at the end where you want the animation to end. Next thing what you want to do is you want to disable your flip layer in your original. So just your hood layer is showing. Then you're going to head over here to your pen tool and you're going to mask out the BMW logo. Once you mask it out, you're going to go to your hood layer, go to masks, right click on mask 1, track the mask. Head over to your tracker, make sure the method is on position, scale, and rotation. You're going to go ahead and press play. And that's going to track every single frame for you. After you track it, you're going to go back down to your mask, press subtract on it. And then you're going to head over to the right side, go to the content aware fill. Make sure the fill method is on edge blend. And let's bring that alpha expansion up to 10. Now press on generate fill layer. Your files will pop up. Just name the file name. I put it to fill, press save. As you can see, it generated a fill layer for us. Now when we play it through, you can see the fill layer is there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to bring that fill PNG that you just created below the flip layer, and you're going to trim it down to the same size as the hood layer. Now this is the part where we make the logo flip in the air. Go ahead and trim your flip layer to the same size as your hood layer and your fill layer. Make sure the flip layer in the original clip is visible again. Head over to your pen tool and mask out the logo once again. Make sure you guys are very precise at this part because this is where it really matters, the cleanness of your mask. After you mask it out, make sure you head over to your anchor point and put it in the direct center of the logo. If you don't do this, it's going to mess up the logo. Now we're going to make sure we put the flip layer in 3D. We're going to head over to transform. We're going to keyframe position, scale, and X rotation. Now you're going to go to the end of the flip layer and add a keyframe again to position, scale, X rotation. And on the X rotation, you're going to set it to 2. Now to make it look like the logo is jumping up in the air, you're going to go about 1/3 into your clip. You're going to bring up the scale a little bit. And you're going to bring that Y position up as well. And now when we play it back, the logo is flipping up in the air. Clean. Now to make it a little bit more realistic, we're going to duplicate that flip layer. We're going to bring that flip layer 2 below our original flip layer. We're going to press U on our keyboard to bring those positions back up. And right here for the position, we're going to bring it down this time. Bring the scale down as well. And we're going to press T to bring up the opacity. And let's bring that opacity to 30%. Now when we play it back, you can see the reflection. As a final touch, I like to throw on Gaussian blur on top of the reflection. Go to Effects, Gaussian blur, and let's bring that blurriness up to 20%. Also, don't forget to add motion blur to flip layer 2 and flip layer 1. And as you guys can see, we have the car logo flipping and we have the reflection as well. Looks pretty fire. That's the end of this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe button down below. Hit that like button. I'm dropping tutorials every single week. Comment down below what kind of effects or transitions you guys want to see me do next. I appreciate you guys watching till the end, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.